This is how you increase and decrease the half double crochet. To increase any stitch in crochet, all you have to do is put 2 stitches into one. In this example, I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease at the beginning of a row and then again at the end of a row. This video is part of a series, so I also have another video up on how to increase and decrease single crochet stitches and double crochet stitches. If you're into these close-up crochet stitch tutorials, be sure to like and follow because I share these every single day. And that's how you increase. To decrease the half double crochet at the beginning of a row, you can just skip the first stitch. If you don't like the gap, you can definitely crochet 2 together, but I'm going to be doing that at the end of the row, so you'll be able to see the difference. So here I'm just going to work my way across. I also included the abbreviations in this video. They're in the first 2 seconds at the beginning, so all you have to do is pause it, screenshot it, save it to your phone, whatever. To crochet 2 stitches together, I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, insert my hook into the next stitch, pull up another loop, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on my hook. And that's how you crochet 2 half double crochet together. And that's it. Happy hooking!